Assalamualaikum girls. So this is our science class and we are going to study science unit number 13. We use electricity. Open your books on page number 54 and start reading with me. So unit number 13, we use electricity. ELEC, elect, TRICITY, city, electricity, electricity, working AROUNDS around us. Electricity working around us. We use electricity to light our homes. So when we are going to uh, light our homes, when we need light in our homes, we use electricity. And other buildings. So we use electricity to light our homes and other buildings. The traffic signal works with the help of electricity. So actually electricity is very useful. In our home we have different appliances, like different machines which use electricity, and uh, everything nowadays is related to electricity. And now they have shown a picture of a signal, that this signal, traffic signal, also needs electricity. Understand? But most of the machines we use and we see in our daily life, in our homes, they use electricity. Bulbs also use electricity and provide us with light. So as I told you, there are many different uses of electricity. ELEC, elect, TRICITY, city, electricity at home. We use electricity at home. We use it to warm our food. How we use electricity to warm our food? We use microwave, and that is how we use electricity to warm our food. We use it to keep our food cool and fresh. Now, how do you use it to keep your food cool and fresh? We use refrigerator in our houses to make the food fresh and cool. The washing machine is used to wash our clothes. So our clothes are washed with the help of washing machine, and washing machine also uses electricity. And the iron to press them. Now iron also uses electricity. The iron which is used to press the clothes at home, it is also because it also needs electricity. They both work by electricity. Um all these things in our home, they work with the help of electricity. Okay, so see, in this picture there are so many things which need electricity. This is a microwave, it uses electricity. This is a refrigerator, it uses electricity. This is a food processor, like to chop things and cut vegetables. It also needs electricity. And this is a toaster, it also needs electricity. So in our home we use electricity to you make different things work. Now the television and the computer also work by electricity. So the television and the computer also work by electricity. Electricity has made our lives easy. We must not waste it. So electricity is produced with a lot of hard work, and it is produced with a lot of input. So actually it is very difficult to produce electricity, and we should not waste it. We should use it, and because it makes our life easy. And the television you use at your home, and the computer we use in our home for the uh, for the light, for to see different things on computer and television. We use computer and television, and both of these things, they need electricity. Understand? So this is what we learned today on page number 54 and 55. It was all related to electricity. This is our unit number 13. How is electricity produced? It is produced in powerhouse, like power stations. Okay, and it is produced with a lot of hard work. So we should not waste electricity at home. Whenever there is a bulb which is switched on in your house, the light is switched on at your house, the AC is switched on at your house, and if you do not need it, you must turn it off. Understand? So when you need it, only then you have to turn it on and use electricity. That is how we should save water also. When you do not need water at your home, when you do not need, and you see that it is getting wasted, you have to turn off the tap and then save the water also, because these are the important things, they must be saved.